Hello everyone, it's Donna, and today I'm working on the Janome Skyline, and I'm playing around with the blind hem foot, which is the G foot that came with your machine. Blind hem is what I consider a technique. You need to practice it to get good at it, but we're going to show you how to use this foot with your machine. First, we're going to actually put the foot on. And notice that it has this little bar in here. Because it's not like a true open foot, what I would do is do your needle up, needle down, and then swipe that thread through to make sure that you start off with the thread underneath. Okay? So next, and I know this is hard to see, we're going to hit our t-shirt, and we're going to do the blind hem shell tuck, and I'm going to be saying blind hem. And I'm practicing on a woven. This is just a piece of cotton fabric, just like a quilter's cotton. And it's got some settings in here. Okay. Try to get this back here so you can see. Move this feet out of the way. So I've got a piece of fabric here. And this is just a test piece. And when I do some sewing and stuff before I actually go to hem, I will do a sample to see how it's going to be on the fabric I'm working in. Okay, right now this is going to be starting over at the left-hand side. Let's see if I can get it up there for you. The needle's going to start on the left-hand side of this bar. And what you want to do, I need to do this over here, is see this little guide flange that's coming here? You want this to ride right alongside the fold. Okay, so let's start out. And it's going to go take a few, whoops. It's going to take a few steps or stitches to the right. And something's wrong here. Okay, we'll start this again. Sorry about that. Sometimes trying to film is not the easiest. Okay, so here we go. It's going to go. And notice we keep this over here. And it'll do the few stitches to the right. Reach over, take that bite. And try to remember to keep this right on the edge. If you move it too far, I'll show you here, you'll miss. Let's try to get it back. So we're gonna cut this right now, and we're gonna look. Now you'll see right here where I swerved way over. When I open this up, you'll see that I completely missed this. Now, if you're hemming like a pair of pants or a really long skirt, you're going to want to fix this, because if not, if you're wearing heels, your heel may catch in there, and A, you could fall, but B, it could rip more of your seam. And see the little bite that it takes? Of course, you wouldn't be using yellow thread on or black thread on yellow fabric. You would have it coordinated. So let's do this again. Let's come up here. And like I said, this is just practice. And some of these stitches like this, blind hem, I do practice occasionally just to make sure that I can still do them. And this time, because of where I stopped last time, it's going to start on the actual right-hand side. So let's go. Oops. I was over the line, and you'll see what that does in just a second. I had the flange over here, but we'll see. It's back now. And just try to keep it riding right along there. You could make it scantly off of it, but I wouldn't go too far, otherwise you risk not catching. So let's... So, as you see, when I first started, it was over. Whoops. When I first started, it was over. So, the line over here, which was where I started, is bigger. And that's liable to be more visible in your finished product. But take some of your scraps and play around until you get where you're comfortable with the blind hem foot. Okay? That's it for this video. Have fun. Enjoy your blind hem foot. And we will talk to you later. Bye.